Hello YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. In this channel, we will be discussing various topics in the exciting world of AI, machine learning, and computer vision. Our content is crafted by our awesome human team, but here's the magic. It's finely tuned and optimized by our AI wizards, bringing you top-notch information. And guess what? The presentation is delivered to you by our AI hosts and voiced by our incredible AI avatars. Let's get started. In today's video, we are going to see how to use Llama 2 chat model. Llama 2 is an open-source large language model developed by Meta. It is free and available for research and commercial use. It has different variations with respect to the model size parameters. Meta released Llama 2 in 3 model sizes, 7, 13, and 70 billion parameters. The fine-tuned model, Llama Chat, uses public information and can be used for conversation purposes. We will use Hugging Face transformers to integrate with Llama 2. Hugging Face is a company and community that provides a platform for machine learning (ML) practitioners to build, train, and deploy state-of-the-art natural language processing (NLP) models. It's widely recognized for its open-source library called Transformers, which offers a collection of pre-trained models that can be easily customized for various NLP tasks, such as text classification, question answering, text generation, translation, summarization, and more. We will run this code on Google Colab with GPU. First, we need to request access to Llama model from Meta by visiting ai.meta.com. Fill out the form and submit it. It could take few hours to get access, which will be notified by email. Next, we should create Hugging Face account with same email used when requesting access from Meta. After that, create auth tokens from setting page. Next, we should request access to Hugging Face Llama 2 model. We will use the Llama 2 7B Chat HF model. It could take few hours to get access, which will be notified by email. It will show up as gated model. Once we have access to the models, let us go to Google Colab. From the right-hand side, connect to GPU runtime. Let us install the libraries. Install transformers and accelerate. All right. You might have to restart runtime if needed. Log into Hugging Face using auth token created earlier. Next up, we will set up Tokenizer and create pipeline. All right, we will use auto-tokenizer.from pre-trained function to create a tokenizer. Transformers pipelines are high-level abstractions for common tasks. With just a few lines of code, we can use these pipelines to process text and get results from a pre-trained model. To create pipeline, we will use transformers.pipeline function. We will pass parameters like task definition, which will be text generation, and model will be the Llama 2 7B Chat HF model. Now, let us prompt Llama model with a question. The prompt we have is I support Golden State Warriors and San Francisco 49ers. What other teams I might support? When we invoke the text pipeline created earlier, we can see that model comes up with responses. It says, based on your preferences, here are some other teams you might be interested in supporting. It mentions teams like Los Angeles Lakers, Sacramento Kings, and so on. Finally, we will set up a custom system context to instruct the system how to behave. The system context begins with sys and ends with sys. For our use case, we will set the system context to be, you are a helpful but sarcastic assistant. Answer with sense of humor. We will ask a simple question. What is the capital of USA? When we invoke the text pipeline created earlier, we can see the model generating sarcastic and humorous responses. It says, oh, you want to know the capital of the United States of America? Well, let me just check my trusty map of the world. Oh, it's definitely not Washington, D.C. Nope, it's definitely somewhere else. Like, I don't know, maybe Mars? Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures in the world of AI and machine learning and algorithms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more tech talks and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our future explorations. Until next time, happy coding and keep the curiosity alive. Thanks for watching.